I'm here to inform you that you too can retire a millionaire. It's actually far more feasible than you might think. All you need to do is watch the rest of this video, show some patience, and leave a like in the box below for the YouTube algorithm. Now, I want to draw your attention to this man. His name is Ronald Reed, and he was born in 1921 into a poor farming family. For most of his life, he worked as a janitor and gas station attendant. A modest man by all accounts, Ronald enjoyed collecting stamps and coins and eating breakfast at friendly restaurants. Ronald was a common man, but there's something else I should have included about the story besides his stamp collecting and scruffy appearance. Ronald had a secret. After he passed away in 2014 at the age of 92, his friends and family quickly learned that he had amassed a fortune, an $8 million fortune to be exact. But how was that even possible? How could this young man who was born into a low-income family and spent his entire life working a meager wage amass such a sizable fortune? The answer is right here in investing. But it's not really enough to say that he invested his way into building his wealth, because that raises a lot of questions. Like, what exactly was he investing in? How long was he investing? Or how often was he investing? These are all questions that need to be answered. And if you actually want to retire a millionaire while earning a low salary, you're going to need some kind of plan and good fortune. First, automate your savings. For example, how often have you told yourself, "I've really got to start saving money. You know what? I'm going to start off by saving $50 from this paycheck." I have it set up so that every week, money is automatically transferred from my checking account into my brokerage account, where it is then invested. One app I use is Rocket Money. They make it real easy to keep track of your money and to save. I'll leave a link in the description for it. Now, what I've discovered is that by automating the entire process of saving, you essentially remove any friction associated with saving, and because everything is happening automatically in the background of your life, you almost forget that you're saving money in the first place because it's taken out of your account as soon as you get paid and put somewhere else, making it seem as though it never existed in the first place. I'm going to put up a chart of exactly how much you should be investing every week, and it's sorted by age. In order to retire a millionaire, it does not take a lot of money to retire a millionaire, but it does take consistency. If you continue investing in the stock market over a long period of time, it's undeniable that you will become a millionaire if the market continues to move how it has been moving. For clarification, and also to make up for inflation, let's just say for example that you're 30 years old right now, and you don't plan on retiring until you're 70. These numbers are based on a 12% return, assuming that you invest your money into a low-cost index fund, or ETF, something like VOO, which has returned a little over 15% on average each year over the past 10 years. After all, that is the new retirement age, and if you could simply invest $25 per week or $100 per month for the next 40 years, you could retire with $1 million. If you are younger than 30, that is fantastic because it means you have a lot more time and can invest less money over a longer period of time, and if you are slightly older than 30, that is still not a problem because obviously the more you advance in life, the more opportunities you will have. The final part of the blueprint is compounding. What exactly is compounding, and how is that going to help me retire a millionaire, especially while I'm stuck working here? In very simple terms, compounding is where your earnings from your investments are reinvested back into buying more investments, and then those new investments earn you more money while you're still working here. Albert Einstein once called it the eighth wonder of the world, and he's also said about it that he who understands it earns it, and he who doesn't pays it. Okay, if you've watched this far and haven't already liked the video on YouTube, please do so now. It would mean the world to me if you did that, and it would mean even more if you subscribe to the channel and let me know you guys support me. I really appreciate it, and as always, I'll talk to you soon.